Hello again and welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before and if you haven't, welcome. Welcome to the chaos. I am today going to show you exactly how I got this Catwoman inspired closet cosplay. Kind of based more off of the Anne Hathaway version of Catwoman. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I did that using only things I already had in my collection and or closet. So if you would like to see how I did it, stay tuned. If you guessed I was going to already have foundation applied, you'd be wrong because I like to keep you on your toes. I like to keep you guessing so that you never anticipate what you think I might do next. In this case, I'm just applying foundation with a fluffy, dense brush. Once I'm done with that, I'm jumping into eyeshadow. And if that wasn't unpredictable enough for you, I'm also switching up the eyeshadow palette by using the Nightingale palette by Pretty Vulgar. I'm taking a light brown and blending that out with a fluffy brush. And then I'm taking a darker brown in the inner crease of my eye. As I'm blending those together, I am also blending them outwards into kind of a wing shape, and I'm smoking the wing out with the fluffy brush a little bit. Here I will take a more flat brush, and I am darkening up that crease. I'll also take that same dark brown eyeshadow, and I'm going to drag that under my eye to kind of complete that wing into kind of a cat eye. I'm going to just follow the shape of the dark brown eyeshadow and blend that out, but I'm going to add a dark gray in that same shape just to kind of make the eyes look more inset, make it more dramatic, and also just make that crease a little bit more defined. In the same respect, I'm also dragging it down to the bottom of my lid to make that cat eye more defined as well. And then I'm taking a pop of a metallic cream eyeshadow just to kind of create a cat eye effect. And then I'm going to go ahead and move on to concealer. I've kind of set myself in doing concealer after my eyeshadow because I can dust off any fallout and cover up any leftover streaks. And then I can just easily blend the under eyeshadow once I'm done with that. So I've kind of just gotten to that pattern. That's not necessarily everybody's way to do it, but that's just the way I do it. And of course, I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my eye and the brow bone. Now, since this is going to be a Catwoman look, I definitely want to wing out the eyeliner, but I do not want to stop there. I am also bringing that inner corner to a sharp point to create a cat eye effect. I definitely made this line thick, dark, and very dramatic. Long wing on both ends of my eye, and just kind of let it roll from there. I tend to avoid doing the inner corner of the eye because it's something that I'm not great at. I definitely want to get better at it and get more practice at it, but in this case it turned out okay, so I'm okay with that. Here I went a little heavy on the contour because I feel like Catwoman is a very defined individual and her features are very defined. But as you can see, I also went heavy on the blending as to not just have a bunch of brown lines on my face. Next, we're going to go in with the eyebrows. I went with black eyebrows because that's my go-to. A lot of people might go with the brown to match your hair or the blonde, depending on which version you're doing. I just stuck with black in this case, but I made her eyebrows a little more pointed than I usually do my own. Yet again, very defined, dramatic features. And then next, we're going to move on to eyelashes. These are pretty much self-explanatory. Apply the glue, apply the lashes. And I'm using my favorite dramatic lashes because, again, it's Catwoman. She needs to make an appearance. She needs to make an impression, and she's here to steal your diamonds. So we're adding some highlight. We're going to glow brighter than a diamond. We're doing red lips for Catwoman because I feel like that's her iconic lip. That's the lip she goes for. So we're just going to stick to that and keep that canon. And as I am applying the lips, I'm kind of going for a pointed, more dramatic Cupid's bow, sharper at the outer corners of the mouth with a slight curl. Once you're done with the lips, then you're done. Time to transform into Catwoman. Honestly, I did not take this look off for a little while. I wore it for the rest of the day because I was feeling the hair, I was feeling the contacts, I was feeling the red lips. I felt like a femme fatale and I was living for it. So I hope you guys like Catwoman because I was living my femme fatale fantasy, and I was ready to take on the world with Harley Quinn, so this look will definitely come out again. That's it. You've done it. You've survived yet another video. As always, thank you for watching. If you like this video and have not subscribed already, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. If you liked my video enough to watch more videos, please feel free to do so, as well as if you liked it enough to follow me on my other social medias. I will leave the links in the description box below. Feel free to follow all of my chaos and chaotic energy, as well as if you have any ideas or anything you'd like to see me post, please feel free to leave it down in the comment box below. It is not limited to closet cosplays, or makeup. I'd love to hear from you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.